Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to plot or draw a graph based on the following equation. So let's say we have an equation here, x minus y equals to 4. So what you can do is, for the x value, you can randomly choose any value that you want. Let's say if you choose minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. So the next step is to find out what is the corresponding value of y here. So by substituting this minus 2 into the equation, you are getting minus 2 minus y equals to 4. So the value of y is therefore equal to minus 2 minus 4. And your final answer will be minus 6 equals to y. Next, we move on to another value minus 1. So when you substitute minus 1 into this equation, you'll be getting minus 5. Okay, same goes with the same calculation. If you put x equals to 0, you'll be getting y minus 4 to be minus 3 and minus 2. Now we move on to how to plot this graph. So as you can see here, I have a graph paper with x and y axis ready. So what you need to do now is you just plot the corresponding coordinates based on this equation. First, you have negative 2 and negative 6. So you have negative 2, negative 6 is here. Next, we move on to another point, negative 1, negative 5, negative 1, and negative 5, which is here. 0, negative 4, and lastly 1, negative 3. Here, as you can see that you have a straight line with the 4 dots here. So you can now proceed to draw a straight line. So that's how you actually plot a graph. Next, we move on to second questions. X plus 5 equals to 0. X plus 5 equals to 0. And for these questions here, you can actually reorganize the values. You get x equals to minus 5. So you can see from this equation, whatever values of y that you have, you'll be getting x equals to negative 5. Okay? So whatever values of y, you'll be getting x equals to negative 5. So what we can do now is, we can try to plot this graph. So x is x negative 5, y is equal to 0, which is here. Next, we move on to second coordinate, negative 5 and 1. It's here. Negative 5, 2. As you can see from this equation, you can see that all these dots fall on this line here. And therefore, you can actually draw a straight line along this x equals to -5. Okay, so this will be your equation for x equals to -5. That's all from me. Thank you.